И poštovani gledajte YouTube kanala Zenke TV, a dobrodošli u www.2K17 PlayStation 2 Universe Mode Monday Night Raw. Ovo je zadnji Raw. Prije Paybacka u nedjelju koji ćete isto gledati na YouTube kanalu ovome Zenga TV. Imamo dva number one contenders meč, prvi za Raw za Tag Team Championships, a drugi je za Raw Women's Championship. Pa ne znamo koji će igrati. Malo uzeti malo jurca konja jaše z malo uzeti malo jurca konja jaše z tag team ćemo Enzo Amore za Sheamus Eve vs Melina. Oh, Melina je number one contender on Gate 1-on-1 against Alicia Fox this Sunday on Payback i Seth Rollins vs Big Show po treći put. Seth Rollins. Pošto ona je Smackdowna, Simon Gotch.
Competitors are in the ring and ready to start things off in this tag team match. Uh-oh. Like this that make Monday Night Raw the hottest show on cable TV. Look at the agility. Wow! What a head scissor! Hey! Oh, look out! Oh! Monday Night Raw, a cable television staple since 1993. Whoa, what a hit! Whoa! Look at this! Oh no! 3! here. Look, these guys have been at each other's throats for weeks. This is becoming a really bitter rivalry. And now he's back out on the apron. One. And the count's broken, keeping the match alive. And he finally gets out of the ring. Uh-oh. Yow! You're tuned into Monday Night Raw, live and in high definition. R-Truth. Hard shot to the back of the skull. Cover. Cover. 1, 2. And he stops the count. And now he's back out on the apron. Ah! Watch it. Hey! You can see the pain shoot through this superstar's body off that slam. And he finally gets out of the ring. Oh, look out! And now he's back out on the apron. Shoulders down. 1,
2. A dire